Whether you're grilling in the backyard, smoking ribs, or roasting indoors, getting your meat perfectly cooked is all about precision. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best Bluetooth meat thermometers that combine accuracy, convenience, and smart technology to take your cooking game to the next level. So let's jump right in. At number 5, we have the ThermoPro TP08C Bluetooth meat thermometer. The ThermoPro TP08C Bluetooth meat thermometer redefines convenience and precision in cooking by offering dual probe monitoring and a powerful wireless range. Designed for both professional chefs and home cooks, this digital wireless thermometer allows you to keep track of your cooking from up to 150 meters away, ensuring your meals are cooked perfectly without constant supervision. Equipped with 2 stainless steel probes, the TP08C lets you monitor both your food and grill or oven temperatures simultaneously. The food probe tracks the internal temperature of your meat, while the barbecue probe keeps tabs on the ambient temperature inside your oven, grill, or smoker. This dual functionality helps you achieve consistent and accurate results whether you're preparing steak, chicken, or slow-smoked ribs. The TP08C offers flexible cooking and timer modes for different cooking scenarios. You can easily set your desired temperature and relax as the thermometer does the monitoring for you. The built-in 24-hour countdown and count-up timer adds another layer of convenience, making it ideal for long cooking sessions. Once the timer runs out, the receiver alerts you with a steady beeping alarm every second, ensuring you never overcook or undercook your food. For added safety and reliability, the thermometer's alarm feature notifies you when the temperature strays outside your preset range, allowing immediate adjustments. This smart alert system eliminates guesswork and helps you maintain optimal cooking conditions at all times. With its user-friendly interface, strong wireless performance, and accurate readings, the ThermoPro TP08C Bluetooth meat thermometer is an essential kitchen companion for anyone who values precision and peace of mind while cooking. Whether you're grilling outdoors or roasting indoors, it ensures every dish reaches the perfect temperature effortlessly. Next up, at number 4, we have the MeatChamp 4 Probes Bluetooth meat thermometer. The MeatChamp 4 Probes Bluetooth meat thermometer is designed to elevate your cooking precision and take the guesswork out of achieving the perfect doneness. Equipped with 4 independent probes, this smart thermometer allows you to monitor multiple dishes or different cuts of meat simultaneously. Each probe can display its own temperature, giving you full control over your cooking process, whether you're grilling, roasting, or baking. With customizable temperature settings, the MeatChamp thermometer adapts to your preferences. You can select from preset options based on food type and desired taste, or opt for DIY mode to create your own temperature values. Once your food reaches the target temperature, the device will alert you with a beep and a flashing display, ensuring you never overcook or undercook your meals. Perfect for both home cooks and grill masters, the MeatChamp 4 Probes Bluetooth meat thermometer makes monitoring food effortless. Its large digital display provides clear readings at a glance, eliminating the need for constant checking or guesswork. Beyond meat, it's versatile enough for various cooking tasks, ideal for measuring temperatures across a wide range of appliances or ingredients. Combining accuracy, convenience, and smart functionality, the MeatChamp thermometer helps you cook with confidence. Whether you're preparing a family dinner or hosting a backyard BBQ, this tool ensures every dish is cooked to perfection. Taking the 3rd spot is the Bfour BF-60 Bluetooth meat thermometer. The Bfour BF-60 Bluetooth meat thermometer is a smart kitchen companion designed for precision cooking and convenience. Equipped with a large 2.4-inch LCD monitor, it provides clear and easily readable temperature data even from a distance, making it ideal for outdoor barbecues or dimly lit cooking environments. This thermometer is engineered for extended wireless performance. When the grill lid is open and the probe operates in a non-enclosed metal oven, it maintains a wireless range of up to 70 meters, ensuring a stable connection without interruptions. When the lid is closed, the optimized range of 3 to 10 meters guarantees continuous and accurate monitoring. Additionally, by pairing your smartphone with the base unit, the range can expand to an impressive 100 meters, allowing complete freedom to move around your home while staying informed about your cooking progress. The dedicated Bfour mobile app enhances usability with its user-friendly interface, enabling effortless setup of temperature parameters and monitoring. It supports connection to multiple devices, ensuring seamless collaboration during group cooking sessions or large gatherings. The customizable settings allow users to set personalized temperature thresholds and alarms according to different cooking preferences. Beyond real-time monitoring, the app's data tracking feature records and analyzes past temperature data, helping users refine their techniques and optimize future cooking sessions. Smart notifications provide instant alerts directly to your phone or smart device, ensuring perfect timing and preventing overcooking or undercooking. To make it accessible for everyone, the app includes multilingual support, offering a smooth experience for users worldwide. With its advanced technology, wide range, and intelligent design, the Bfour BF-60 makes cooking smarter, more accurate, and more enjoyable. Coming in at number 2 is the Inkbird INT-14-BW Bluetooth Meat Thermometer. The Inkbird INT-14-BW Bluetooth Meat Thermometer redefines modern cooking convenience with its intelligent design and advanced wireless technology. This smart thermometer includes 4 independent wireless probes, each capable of accurately monitoring internal food temperatures without the hassle of tangled cables. Designed for flexibility, it supports 3 operating modes: Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and local, allowing users to cook confidently whether connected to the Inkbird app or not. Once connected, the Inkbird app offers complete control, letting users customize temperature settings, monitor real-time progress, and receive notifications when food is perfectly cooked. Each probe features 2 built-in sensors that simultaneously detect both food and oven temperatures, ensuring ultra-precise readings within plus or minus 1 degree Celsius or plus or minus 1.8 degrees Fahrenheit. With 26 preset meat menus based on USDA recommendations and the ability to set custom temperatures, achieving restaurant-quality results at home has never been easier. The INT-14-BW isn't just smart, it's built for endurance. Its powerful battery supports up to 25 hours of continuous operation, making it ideal for long barbecues or slow roasts. The thermometer also includes multiple alert functions, such as target temperature alarms, high and low temperature warnings, and a cooking timer, keeping you in full control from start to finish. Crafted for both performance and durability, the food-grade stainless steel probes come with zirconia ceramic handles that are IP67 waterproof and dishwasher safe. The full-view high-definition display with adjustable backlight ensures visibility in any lighting condition, while the device stores up to 30 minutes of temperature data, syncing seamlessly with the app when reconnected. Whether you're grilling, roasting, or smoking, the Inkbird INT-14-BW brings precision and simplicity to every cooking experience, allowing you to relax, monitor effortlessly, and enjoy perfect results every time. And finally, our top pick, the ThermoPro TP826B Bluetooth Meat Thermometer. The ThermoPro TP826B Bluetooth Meat Thermometer is a modern grilling companion designed to make cooking more efficient, precise, and enjoyable. This wireless thermometer features 2 durable coated probes that can monitor the temperature of 2 different meats or cooking zones simultaneously. Whether you're using an oven, grill, or smoker, the TP826B ensures every dish reaches the perfect level of doneness. With an impressive 150-meter wireless range, the TP826B allows you to step away from your cooking station without losing control. You can easily monitor temperatures from a distance, freeing you up to handle other tasks or simply relax while your meal cooks to perfection. The thermometer is also equipped with 8 USDA-recommended temperature presets, helping you achieve ideal cooking results for a wide variety of meats. By pressing the Meat button, you can select a preset for beef, poultry, pork, or other types of meat, ensuring food safety and optimal taste. Once the target temperature is reached, the device automatically triggers an alarm so you'll never overcook or undercook again. A large backlit display ensures that temperature readings and timer settings are easy to see, even in low light conditions, making it perfect for evening barbecues or indoor roasting. Additionally, the TP826B allows users to view temperature and timer data simultaneously, offering complete control over cooking progress. For added convenience, the thermometer includes a count up and count down timer feature, with a maximum duration of 99 hours and 59 minutes, allowing flexibility for both slow cooking and quick grilling. Combining accuracy, convenience, and smart functionality, the ThermoPro TP826B Bluetooth meat thermometer is an essential tool for anyone who values precision cooking and stress-free meal preparation.